Parang kinakabahan
Oo
din
nga
ako
eh.
eh.
Konting suspense muna. Pati ako kinakabahan. Ito po, these are our presenters alongside the members of the NCAA Season 99 Management Committee and a member of our policy board. Lexi, here we go. I am now holding the results of this competition, Season 99 Cheerleading Competition. So, Lex, huwag na natin patagalin pa. Let's announce the winners. We start with the school in third place to receive a cash prize of 50,000 pesos. And the third place for NCAA Season 99 Cheerleading Competition is Letran Cheering Squad!
Ang saya nila, parang gusto ko makisali.
Oo nga eh. Thank you so much, Father Vic. And congratulations to Letran for bagging bronze in this year's cheerleading competition.
At second place, Altas Prep Squad!
NCAA fans, your NCAA Season 99 Cheerleading Competition Championess, the AU Chief Squad! The 5-meet is complete. 6th cheerleading championship overall for the AU Chief Squad.
Once again, congratulations to our NCAA Season 99 Cheerleading Competition Champions!
The AU Chief Squad! All roads lead to NCAA Season 100 and we will make sure na ihahatid namin sa inyo lahat ng mga kaganapan on this historic season.
As we navigate through this pandemonium here, allow me to thank you all for watching. I am Lexi Gonzalez.
And once again, this has been Martin Aguiar for the NCAA Season 99 Cheerleading Competition.